Okay, we're going to work on some English now, so please write down English 10 on your paper, or ENG period 10. And we're going to work on past and present tense, so let's look at the examples for present tense. My dog is sick. Past tense, my dog was sick. So number 1, the cloud moved away and the sun shone through. The sky was full of pretty colors. It is beautiful, or it was beautiful. And that should be number 1, was. Arturo and Roy are at the party or were at the party. Let's look at number 3. Blank, Taylor going to the pool later? So, is Taylor going to the pool later? Number 4, this is past tense. The old house was built in 1967. So you should write down the was. So number 5, Christopher, where were you last night? I have been looking all over for you. So number 5 has 2 different, actually it's 3 words. It's were and have been. Okay, so let's go back and review our answers. Number 1, was. Number 2, were. Number 3, is. Number 4, was. Number 5, were, comma. And you can also say, I was looking all over for you. So instead of have been, you can do was there. So were, comma, was. Number 6, yesterday was the best day of my life. So put the word was down for yes for number 6. Number 7, I am ready to go. So put down am, comma. When will we be leaving? So 7 is am, comma, will. Number 8, who blank at the pool yesterday? Who was at the pool yesterday? Number 9, we've got 3 different ones we're writing down. I blank very tired. I blank tired yesterday too. I think I blank getting sick. So I am very tired, because that's right now. I am very tired. I was tired yesterday too. I think I may be getting sick. I think I am getting sick. So you could do am, was, am. For number 9. Number 10, I blank driving to the office this morning when I noticed that I was getting low on my gas. So I stopped to get more. A kind man filled the tank for me. He blank very nice. This is past tense, so I was driving to the office. And past tense, the man was very nice. Okay, very good. Now please write down exercise 11 and we will get another page done. This is going to count for 2 Englishes for you. So you just wrote exercise 10 on one page. Skip to the next page, and on a whole new fresh page, write English 11. E-N-G. I'm sorry, oh my gosh. E-N-G. Did I say A? Anyway, E-N-G period 11. English 11. Okay, Sarah will be at the party. Or you can say Sarah is at the party. No, I'm sorry, don't say that. Sarah was at the party last night. See, you have to read the whole thing because I missed that it said last night. So number 1 so far you have was. Ling Ning and Ahmad were there too. So number 1 is was, comma, were. Was, comma, were. Number 2, Avery is my best friend. She and I are in the same English class. So is, comma, R-A-R-E. Is, comma, R. Number 3, Malika and I were at Jenny's house yesterday. Now we are at Melissa's house. So number 3, were, W-E-R-E, comma, are, A-R-E. Number 4, Johan and I. You could do this. Johan and I are in the mountains. We are on a camping trip together. Because it's in the present tense. So are, comma, are. Number 5. When she blank young Nisha interested in science. When she was young, Nisha was interested in science. However, she is not interested in science anymore. Now she is interested in math. So when she was young, she was interested. So it's was, comma, was, is not, comma, is. So number 5, I don't know why they did it like that, but it's was, comma, was, is not, comma, is. Number 6, tennis was my favorite sport when I was in high school. Now my favorite sport is soccer. So number 6 is was, comma, is. Okay, number 7. We are almost done. Number 7. My family and I were swimming in the pool when it began to thunder. The lifeguard told us we had to get out. I was upset, but I knew he was right. Were, comma, was. Number 7, were, comma, was. Number 8, Lenny blank at the football game last night. He blank cheering for his favorite team. After the game, he came back home and went to sleep. I think he blank sleeping now. Lenny was at the football game last night. He was cheering for his favorite game. I think he is still sleeping now. Was, comma, is. Number 9. It rained all day yesterday. I was sad because I couldn't go outside. However, today it is sunny and I am happy because I can go outside. Was, comma, is, comma, am. Was, is, am. That's for number 9. Number 10. Before Yoko and Kobe were enemies. Now they are best friends. Before Yoko and Kobe were enemies. Now they are best friends. Were, comma, are. And that should be it. Please take a picture of both of those and send them to me. You should have an ENG period 10 page and an ENG period 11 page. If they're on the same page, that's fine. Just take a picture of ENG 10 and ENG 11. That's English 10 and English 11. And you just got 2 grades in English in 8 minutes. Congratulations. 2 grades. That means we are finishing up the school year. We are almost done. Let's get this work in so that you guys can have a few extra early days of break before the 28th. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Send me those pics.